Om Shanti. Bap Dada's invaluable elevated versions for the class on the day of remembrance of Pita Shriji on 18th January 2026. Essence. Sweet children, you have to fill your aprons with the jewels of this knowledge and also donate them. The more you show the path to others, the more blessings you will receive. Baba said, "Children, observe how sweet the Father is and how lovingly He makes you sit and study. He simply says, 'Remember me and forget this old world.' The Father from whom you receive such a great inheritance should naturally come to your remembrance again and again. The heart should become deeply absorbed in the remembrance of such a Father." Further, Baba said, "Do not become tired, you have to earn a great income day and night. Become conquerors of sleep. When you remain in the remembrance of Shiv Baba, He Himself will take care of you. Through remembrance, difficulties are removed, just as a needle, when cleaned, is naturally drawn towards a magnet. The more you remember the Father, the more love and inner attraction you will experience." Finally, Baba said, "Sweet children, do not be careless. Become holders of the Sudarshan Chakra, become lighthouses. The more you work for the welfare of many, that is, transform thorns into flowers, the more reward you will receive, along with everyone's blessings. Those who donate the treasure of knowledge are loved by all." Blessing for today. May you be one in white clothes in a white light and reveal yourself as an Avyakt angelic form while in your corporeal form. Details are: the sound is now spreading everywhere. Who are these people in white and where have they come from? Now reveal yourselves as angelic forms everywhere. This is called a form of double service. Just as there are clouds everywhere, similarly, emerge everywhere in your angelic forms. Wherever people look, let them only see angels. However, this will only happen when you become detached from your bodies and practice traveling with your inner subtle bodies and your minds are powerful. Slogan is, "In order to have a right to all virtues and all powers, be obedient." Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. In this Avyakt month, stay free from bondage and experience the stage of liberation in life. Just as the Father is constantly independent, become like the Father in the same way. Bap Dada can no longer bear to see you children dependent. If you are not able to make yourselves independent, if you yourselves continue to fall because of your weaknesses, how will you then become world transformers? Now, increase this awareness. I am a Master Almighty Authority. Then, by having this awareness, you will easily become free from all cages and become a flying bird.